Mini band Curtsy lunge combo. Full body complex. This is an advanced combo that blends lower body sculpting, upper body toning, and cardio power. How to do it, step-by-step flow. 1. Place a mini band above your knees. Hold dumbbells at your sides. 2. Curtsy lunge plus lateral raise. Step one leg diagonally behind into a curtsy lunge, while raising dumbbells to shoulder height. Return to center. 3. Squat plus arm curl. Drop into a squat, curl dumbbells up as you stand. 4. Overhead press squat pulses. Stay low in a squat. Perform 2-3 small pulses while pressing dumbbells overhead each pulse. 5. Jump kick. Explode up, perform a small jump and kick one leg forward. Land softly. 6. Reverse lunge plus knee raise plus overhead press. Step back into a reverse lunge. Then drive that knee up while pressing weights overhead. The side kick. From standing, kick leg out to the side while keeping band tension. 8. Tiptoe sumo squat plus arm curl. Feet wide, toes out. Rise onto toes, squat down and curl dumbbells, return to start. 9. Repeat sequence on one side, then switch. Muscles working. Primary, gluteus maximus. Gluteus medius, strong activation from band plus curtsy plus side kick. Secondary, quadriceps, hamstrings, inner thighs, adductors, calves. Upper body, shoulders, deltoids, biceps, triceps. Core stabilizers. Abs and lower back for balance and control. Benefits. Builds round glutes and targets side glutes for an hourglass shape. Burns high calories. Strength plus cardio combo. Improves coordination, balance, and athletic movement. Strengthens knees and hips through multi-directional training. Efficient full body workout in one sequence. Enhances muscle endurance and power with pulses plus jumps. Variations. Beginner. Remove jump kick and pulses. Perform slow and controlled. Low impact. Replace jump with step kick. Heavier strength focus. Use heavier dumbbells. Remove jump. Glute focus. Stay lower in squats and slow down tempo. No weights. Body weight only for endurance or warm-up. Band at ankles. Increases difficulty for glutes. Add hold. Pause 2 to 3 seconds at bottom of each squat or lunge. Pro tips. Keep knees pushed outward against the band. Control each phase, don't rush the transitions. Engage core to protect your lower back. Land softly during jumps. This combo is powerful for sculpting legs, glutes, and shoulders while boosting endurance and fat burn. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.